Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have for you a fun box from Thredup. So the first one I got about a month ago, and I can link the original unboxing down below, was definitely not fun. And a lot of you commented on that video saying that they're so hit or miss, and that just means that your next one is going to be way better. So I grabbed another one just to see if y'all are right. So if you want to see what they sent me, definitely stick around. So these fun boxes pop on and off the Thredup Rescue Box website. Often I kind of just check every day to see what kind of boxes they have. I was able to catch another one. So it was $34 plus $10.99 shipping and handling plus tax. So total $47.69. And it's supposed to be just like random like accessories and keychains, handbags, like just random things. It's supposed to be fun. So I guess we will see. Should be 10 items in here, and if there are 10 items, that brings my cost of goods to $47.69. I did have some site credit, so I didn't actually like fork out any cash for this box, which may or may not make me feel a little better about it. Maybe it will make the box lucky for me. Who knows? But anyway, if you like reseller content, make sure you subscribe. I will show you guys what's in this box today. I will list everything. I'll come back 90 days later and let you know if I actually made any money, if I actually listed the stuff, all of that. Drop me a like if you find this helpful, and I am gonna dive right in. So let's cut this open. As with all my unboxings, or as much as I possibly can, I leave them sealed until I turn on the camera because I like to show you guys my raw reaction to what's inside. And today is not going to be any different. Let's see. Here's my note, $34 plus tax and shipping. Got some tissue paper on the top. And then here's the inside so far. So 10 items I'm expecting. What is this? Right on top here, this is jewelry organizer. So it says hello love, in case you're wondering, and it's got a bunch of little clear pockets with zippers for jewelry, and it hangs. I don't know if you would want to hang it over a door or in a closet. Probably super cute for a teen or a tween. It does have a price tag on it of $9.99, so this was not any sort of earth-shattering piece. Brand new. Probably does not have much resale value. Does it have a fun factor? Yeah, it could be fun. It would probably be more fun if I had like a personal use for it. If I had, you know, a daughter that could use it. My daughter's here, but she's definitely not into stuff like this yet. So I don't know if that's going to help anything. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, so this is a tote bag, and it says Reformation on the front. So it is a Reformation branded tote bag. I suppose it's possible, and I've never shopped at Reformation. This could maybe just be how they send purchases home with people instead of using plastic, or maybe it's a free gift with purchase. I'll definitely have to look up and see if this has any resale value, but it is a cloth bag, so it is a nice reusable bag. All right. Ooh, this is a fuzzy blanket. I think it's oh, it's got a hood. Oh, it's a pullover hoodie. It says The Comfy. So I think this is, I've never heard of this brand, but it's one of those like wearable blankets because it's definitely lined with blanket-like material. I don't see any tags on it, but it does look brand new. I have no reason to believe this has been worn or washed. The Comfy Company. Yeah, I'll have to look up and see if this is worth anything. There's no size. I'm assuming it's probably like a one size fits all. That's interesting. Got some screen protectors for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I think we're on the iPhone 14 now. So this is for an older phone, but it is sealed. And I guess if you need one of these, you need it. I mean, they're good screen protectors if you need it. So the iPhone 12 is not that old. No idea if that's worth anything. There's a pair of socks. These brand new were $4.99. They say on the front, "Dad, from my first step to this biggest step, thanks for always walking by my side." So I'm guessing these are for if you're getting married and you want to give your dad a present that says something sweet and cute. If he's walking you down the aisle, you would give him some socks like this, which is cute, but again, $4.99 regular price. These are Peds. 2 pair of Peds. What's Peds? They are like footless or low hidden socks. 2 pair. And they are not, they don't have a price on them. They're ultra low. Not sure what that means. There's a few more things in this box. Let's hope it gets a little better. These are sunglasses. They're definitely not new because they've got some scratches and some smudges. They are Vince Camuto. I do appreciate them putting it in a little baggie because they probably would have got tore up really bad in the shipping process. I don't know if Vince Camuto sunglasses have any value. Well, I got a pair of Rothy's insoles. They're a size 7 and they are for this sneaker. Yeah, Rothy's, I'm sure if you're a reseller and you weren't born yesterday, well, maybe you don't know. Rothy's shoes have an incredible resale value, and the insoles I could probably sell. I don't know that they retail, like if you were to order them from the website, I think they're like $10 or something, 10, 50, I don't know. They're not expensive, but I probably could get a few dollars for these, especially because they're brand new. So there's that. And then there's some jewelry. This is a 3-pack. I wonder, I bet you this is like one item, even though there's three things in here. So this is cubic zirconia sterling silver. It says from Nordstrom Rack. It's the letter R. Maybe I should keep it because that's me, Rachel. And then this one is, oh, there's 4. Just kidding, there's 4. This one is the letter H. This one's gold. Then I've got an F. This one's also gold. And the letter S. This one is silver. There's no price on these. Sterling silver, cubic zirconia. So, I mean, I don't know if they're really worth anything. You know, at least this box does not have me saying WTF like the last one did. Let's be honest. The last one was like weird. Okay, there's 2 bags in here and I have saved them for last. So let's see what these are. This is a Coach wristlet. And okay, it's black. It's definitely used. It's not in the best shape, but it's mostly just like surface dirt. I don't see any tears or anything. And the inside looks pretty good and clean. It feels like it's probably authentic. It needs a little wipe down on the hardware. Okay, all right, thank you for the Coach. I'll take it. And what is this? This is a canvas crossbody bag. It's got the adjustable strap. It's definitely been used, but it's not in bad shape, I wouldn't say. It looks pretty good. Aside, there's some like little dust particles in the main pocket, but it doesn't look too bad. Just checking the zippers and the hardware for any sort of branding, which I don't see. So I'm going to say this is probably unbranded. I will have to do a Google Lens search to see if I can find anything about it. Otherwise, I probably would just list it as unbranded. Maybe I can get a couple of dollars for it. I mean, it's not a bad looking bag. And I have listed unbranded bags before, and they don't sell for a ton, but they do sell sometimes. So anyway, let me count and see how many items are in here.
How you doing, YouTube?
Hey.
I'm the husband that makes her drink water.
Hi, Jeff.
Got some more stuff for you to sell. It's a Poe Injector.
Oh. My husband likes to bring me random things from around the house that I don't know what they are and ask me to sell them on eBay. So, what is this?
It's a Poe Injector.
A Poe Injector.
Power over Ethernet.
Power over Ethernet. Okay. So, this is also how I learn about things to sell because I don't know what this thing is. And I guess I'm about to learn about Poe Injectors at some point in the near future. So, yay me.
Yeah. Let me know when you want to get it listed and I'll
add it to the pile of things we need to list for you.
Take some water though.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Anyway, there are 11 items in this box. If you count that bag of necklaces as one, and then there's 10 other things. So, I don't know. There's a couple things I think will sell quickly, like the Rothy's insoles and the Coach bag. They're not going to sell for a ton, but I do think I'll sell them. A couple things I need to look up and figure out what to do with. And then also, those necklaces are counted as one. And I think that I would need to split them up. And because they're all different letters, selling them in a lot isn't going to make much sense. I would need to split them up. So, significantly more fun than the first one. The first one was just disappointing. Whether or not I'm actually going to make any money here, I don't know. But I guess it'll be fun to find out. Trying to find the fun in the fun box here, guys. Help me out here. Anyway, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed. I will come back in 90 days after I get everything listed, and I will tell you guys what exactly happened with this box and the stuff in it. Drop me a like if you find this helpful, and I certainly appreciate you watching. I will catch you all in the next one.